Oh, what are you eating? What are you eating, baby? Oh, that looks so yummy. Oh, all right. So, hello, Naoya. Nice to meet you. So, are you ready to start with our class, baby? Okay, so if you have any question, just let me know, okay? If you want me to translate something, I will be happy to help you, okay? Just listen to this one first.
Được rồi, học sinh thân mến, nếu em có câu hỏi hoặc có điều gì chưa hiểu, đừng ngại hỏi cô nhé, được không? Em cũng có thể nhờ cô dịch những từ mà em chưa hiểu bất cứ lúc nào. Cô luôn ở đây để hướng dẫn và giúp em học những điều mới. Được không nào, học sinh thân mến?
Okay? All right. Okay, so are you ready to start with our class? Yes? Are you ready to start with our okay? All right, so teacher is going to share the screen and just wait for a minute. All right, so can you see the screen already? Can you see the screen? Hello? Hello, baby. Can you see the screen already?
Cô thấy màn hình chưa?
All right. Oh, you got the book. Oh, just the same with Naan. Okay, so we are on the page 33. Can you hear me? I cannot hear you. Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello.
Alright. Okay, so now we have here the exercise number 1, which is the listen, point, and repeat. Then, oh, where are you, baby? Oh, you get some water. Okay, again, we are on the exercise number 1. Listen, point, and repeat, then write. The teacher is going to play audio, and I want you to listen, okay?
Listening 56. Listen, point, and repeat. 9,
Wow.
Oh, oh, it looks like a tiger. Wow.
10,
10. Oh, bird. Oh, there's a bird. Oh. All
listening,
right. Okay, so we got the tiger, roar, and the bird. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, so now let's proceed on the exercise number 2, point and sing. The teacher is going to play another audio, and let's listen
listening
to this one.
57.
Trời.
Point and sing.
Yes.
Three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 birds at the zoo.
All right, so we got
Listening
lion
57.
and the bird. Okay, so now let's continue with this one. All right, so can you please count how many lions do we have? Okay. Can you trace the number 9 and count the lion? Hello, baby. Okay, can you please count the lions? Okay, can you please count? Okay, can you help me count? Okay. All right, can you help me count, baby? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we got 9 lions. All right, so now, baby, can you please trace the number 9? Okay, how about the birds? How many birds do we have? Okay, how many birds do we have? Okay, can you please count how many birds do we have? Hello? Hello? Hello, baby. Hello, are you there? Hi. Hello? Hi. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, so now, Yan, can you please count how many birds do we have? Hello, baby, now, Yan, can you please count how many birds do we have? We have. Okay, can you please count it? 1. Okay, wait. Can you please count how many birds do we have? Okay, please listen to this one.
Bạn có thể đếm xem chúng ta có bao nhiêu con chim không?
All right, again.
Bạn có thể đếm xem chúng ta có bao nhiêu con chim không?
Okay, so all right, how many? We got 10 birds. Okay, okay, very good. So we got 10.
10.
All right, and we have here
9.
9. Okay, so now let's have the exercise number 3. Count, circle, and say. Okay, so how many pandas do we have? Okay, how many? Can you please count how many panda do we have and circle it? Okay, please listen to this one. Oh, what's that?
Bạn có thể đếm
Oh,
xem
good
chúng ta có
right.
bao nhiêu con gấu
Mau
trúc
ba.
và khoanh tròn nó không? Bạn có thể đếm xem
Yeah.
chúng ta có bao nhiêu con gấu trúc và khoanh tròn nó không?
Okay, so how many pandas do we have? Okay, you count how many pandas do we have? Okay, can you please count how many pandas do we have? And
One.
circle it.
Okay, the two.
Yes, baby, pandas. Okay, how many in all, baby, now yet?
One,
Okay.
two,
Mm-hmm.
one, two, three,
Uh-huh.
four,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Okay.
6.
So we got 6 pandas. How about lions? How many lions do we have? How many lions do we have now, Yan? Okay, how many lions do we have? Okay, how many lions do we have?
Lion.
You get my suddenly water there, suddenly water. Okay, how many lions, baby? Okay, can you please count how many lions do we have? Okay, can you please count it now, Oyen? If how many lions do we have? Okay, the lions.
Lá có một nghìn nè.
Okay,
Đọc
how
xem.
many lions, baby? Okay, can you please count how many lions?
Có 2.000 rồi.
Okay, can you please count it now? Hello? Hello, baby? Okay. How many lions do we have, baby? How many? Hello? Hello, Naoyen. Can you hear me? Oh, what's that? Oh, you are writing. All right, so how many lions do we have? Okay, so how many in all, baby?
Teddy bear.
What? Okay, how many? Can you please count it?
Teddy bear.
Okay, can you count it, baby? Lion. Do you know what is a lion? Okay, lion is this one.
S and one. Lion is and one.
This is the lion, not yan. Okay? So these are the lion. Ikaw mura kag naong og lion.
Whoa.
Wow, a lion. Look.
Lions are majestic big cats that have captured the imagination of humans for centuries. From their appearance to their behavior and habitat, lions are fascinating creatures with a rich history and complex biology. In this video, we will explore the history, physical characteristics, appearance, temperament, behavior, grooming, intelligence, variance, birth and reproduction, diet, conservation status, and interesting facts about lions. History. Lions have been a part of human culture for thousands of years, appearing in art, literature, and mythology. In ancient Egypt, lions were worshipped as gods, while in ancient Greece, lions were associated with the god of wine, Dionysus. Lions also appear in various religious texts, including the Bible and the Quran. Today, lions are found primarily in Africa, although they once roamed throughout Europe, Asia, and even North America. Physical characteristics. Lions are the second largest living cat species, after the tiger. They have a distinctive mane of hair around their neck, which is more prominent in males than females. The mane serves as a form of protection and intimidation for the male lion. Male lions typically weigh between 330 and 550 pounds,
Alright,
while females
wow.
weigh between 265 and 395 pounds. Appearance. Lions have a muscular and streamlined body with a short tan-colored coat and a long tail with a tuft of hair on the end. The mane of the male lion ranges in color from blonde to black and serves as a visual indication of his age and health. Temperament. Lions are social animals that live in groups called prides. A pride typically consists of one or more males, several females, and their offspring. Lions are also territorial and will defend their pride and territory against other lions.
Ah, the
While lions are generally not
lion.
aggressive towards
Alright, so that is the story of the lion. So now, how many lions do we have? Okay, how many lions do we have, baby? Okay, how many lions do we have? Okay, can you please count how many lions do we have? We got. Okay, can you please count, baby? Lions. Okay, how many lions do we have? Okay, can you please count the lions? Okay. Please count the lions, baby.
Teacher.
What? Can you please count how many lions, okay? Just like what you did on the pandas. Okay, can you count it, baby?
hợp nhau với mẹ.
Just the lions. Right here. Can you please count the lions? Lions are this one. Can you please count it? So how many lions do we have?
Có bao nhiêu con lion đếm rồi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, how many in all, baby?
Trời, có trời. Con là nhiêu?
We got just the same
Yeah.
with what you did with the panda. Just what you did in the panda, baby. Just the same. Okay, how about the lion? How many lions do we have? Okay, can you please count if how many lions do we have?
10 con là 10.
We got, okay, we got 10 lions. Okay, so for tonight, now, Yen, that would be all, and let's just continue this one next time, okay? Alright, so for tonight, now, Yen, goodbye and see you again next time. Oh, I'll have a candy. Oh. Let's take a picture. Okay, wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I have a flash. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, bye now, Yen. Bye now, Anne.
Teachers.
See
Yeah.
you.